Friends, we are making some fried catfish and I'm using some catfish steaks. Now, I am in the Chicagoland area and I've actually shown my catfish on YouTube tons of times, but I always get questions about how did I get the catfish steak. So I've purchased this from a local store in the area. This is called Pete's Fresh Market. Some other stores you can buy it from is Pete's Produce, Peoria Butcher Shop, that's on the west side. You can also get it from like any Jewel Osco or Mariano's. Or if you're not in the Chicagoland area, go to your butcher shop and they can cut the fish into steaks. This is not tuna, it's not swordfish. I've gotten like multiple comments on my catfish video, so I just wanted to show you that is what I am making. So again, you can buy that at any store, but just have them cut it up into steaks instead of fillets. So on my fish, I'm using Cajun seasoning as well as lemon pepper. I'm also using some parsley in there. I am maybe using like 1 to 2 tablespoons of each and just mixing it onto my fish. And also just to note that that Cajun seasoning does not have too much salt in there, so you want to use a low salt Cajun seasoning. I'm also going to add some of my favorite fish fry, which is the Louisiana fish fry brand. I like the Cajun seasoning. They also have other types of breading, but the Cajun is my favorite. There's another one that's like in a yellow package. That one's good too. So between those two, like the regular style as well as the Cajun, those are my favorite fish fries to use when I am making fried catfish. Now you also want to make sure you're using a good cooking oil. So I'm using canola oil, but you can use like canola, maybe some peanut oil, but that can get kind of expensive. But I like to use canola oil because it's supposed to be a little bit more healthier when you are frying food, whether it's, fish or chicken. So just making sure that it's hot before you add your fish. Let that oil sit like on a medium heat for at least a good 5 minutes before you start placing your fish in there. You want to cook it for about 15 minutes total. Just really depends on how thick your fish is, and this fish is pretty thick. So I've cooked it for like about 15 minutes, and that's it. So friends, I hope you like what I cooked in the kitchen today. If you are a follower of any of my accounts, thank you so much for coming back. If you're watching this on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, shout out to everyone who subscribed to my channel or you're following me on those social media platforms. If you are new here, my name is Angela and this is my account Plus Size in Chicago, where I make a lot of easy to cook comfort food meals. You'll also see me reviewing different restaurants in the greater Chicagoland area, or maybe showing you some places I ate while on vacation. Be sure to subscribe or follow me. Also leave a comment and share this video with your friends and family. I'll see you guys next time.